Hi, good day guys. Let's create a authentication system that allows you to register and to log in, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to importing our statements, right? So we're going to be importing SQLite3, we're going to import bcrypt, we're going to import getPass, we're going to import time as well, right? So what does these do? These four functions right here, these four functions is basically going to allow us to create the app. So SQLite3, this will be for our database. Bcrypt will be for our password hashing, and getPass will be for our secure password input, and then time will be for handling delays. Okay, so in our first step, what we would do is we would want to create a function, right? But in the first function that we're creating, we are creating the users table. Okay, so in line 9, right, this line 9 is basically we defining our function. So this defines a function named create users table, which takes one parameter, con. The con parameter is expected to be a connection object to a database. So we just basically creating a function with one parameter. Okay, in line 10, cursor equals to con.cursor, open brackets, close brackets, open parentheses, close parentheses. A cursor object, right, is created using the con object. The cursor is used to execute SQL commands and fetch data from the database. So now we actually want to execute the database. So what we're doing here, so we are using a method called cursor.execute, right, which is a SQL command. We would like to execute a SQL command. So inside of the SQL execute command, our statement is create table if it does not exist already. So the table have three columns: ID, username, and password. So our password is basically just password. Just this basically just defines the password. Our username is a type of unique, and our ID is a type of primary key, which also is an integer. In line 15, we are simply just committing the change that we made. So what did we do here? We did create the table if it does not exist already through a function that takes one parameter that's called con.